sorry, our marshal friend, can you pull out the lances from just by the side of the cabin there? Once you get them out, we'll keep them upright, point up. That's 3. We're missing 1 by the look.
Yeah, I think there's another one behind there.
There's 1 more there. Not to me, because I'm. So who's taking a lance?
No, I will.
Yeah, give to behind you, Jane. You take one.
I'll have one of the dark brown ones. Got your other head side, right? Put that on. Thank you.
All right.
Oh, actually, can I change it for the other one? It's a bit heavier. This one is. That one's lighter.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can get into your 2 teams.
Team.
Royals with me, Edward, and the Rebels this way a little bit, with Jeff.
Let's go to Jeff.
Lances left. Yeah, we can have those initially. 2 guys, 10
Who's Jeff, by the way?
Thomas, I'm going to give you a 10
They changed up the teams from yesterday.
Sorry?
They changed up the...
I don't know. These ones here.
You happy to take them out or
Won't need your shield. So I'm going to introduce you as Royalists and Rebels. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go a big circuit of the field just to warm themselves up. We'll walk up and then canter down.
I'm kind of a bit pissed off that other people have got my colours.
When I introduce you, I'll introduce you first,
Yeah.
then I'll introduce the Rebels. We're going to do a clockwise circuit of the field, a trot initially, and then a little bit of canter, and come back to where you are at the end. Alright? The Rebels will do the same when I introduce them.
try and do it in a column of 2, pass it, slide it out.
We've got 1 lance extra. I've got a lance that needs 1.
So we're going to do a lap.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
When he canters, we'll canter a little bit.
Here we are with a test of Siller Arms on horseback here at Evesham
I'm in the middle again, yeah.
this year.
Where you were.
Those of you that have seen perhaps this event before will have seen something similar here last year, which you see very well. So we're going to do something similar again. This year we're going to divide the riders into 2 teams. The Rebels and the Royalists. Normally, of course, I would be riding with the Rebels, dressed in these colours. Today I'm going to just do the commentary largely from the horse, and we'll start off by introducing Prince Edward and his Royalist Cavalry, and they're going to start by coming round the arena just to show you off their horses and to warm them up a little bit. So Prince Edward,
We're going to do this skill. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't,
over to you.
Not you.
So in parlance we call them, at the moment they're riding in half section, and they're just going to come round the edge of the arena and hopefully not trample the hedge. The idea is to try and keep in pairs as much as possible. And now let us introduce to you the rebels, led this morning by Dispenser. Dispenser, if you'll just ride a couple of steps forward so they can identify you. There we are. And they will come in half section as well and come round the arena as well. It just shows the horses.
You two go, we'll set back.
So everybody else follow on in half section, please. That's it. And Dispenser, when you're ready.
Ready? Yeah.
Alright, so here's our rebels led by Dispenser.